Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Wednesday, May 11. The time is around 1 a.m. GMT. Today we are going to update on the oil. Uh, Here is the 60 minutes chart. We can see oil ended with X over here at 111.3. So what that means then is we are now within the Y leg to the downside, and within the Y leg it should subdivide into three waves, right? Because it's a Y leg. So you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 5 waves down ending A, and then now should be ending the A pretty soon here. Should be doing a 3 waves rally in the B before turning lower again in the C, as long as we stay below 111.3. So once we finish the C leg, that should also end the Y leg. So the Y leg is in the form of an A, B, C, and the A is in a 5 waves. You can check out here the momentum. You can see a classic 5 wave structure here, 1, 2, with extension in the 3, and then the 5 comes with the divergence as well. It's a very classic textbook 5 waves down. Should be ending it soon and correct in 3 waves, maybe going back to the wave 4 of 1 less a degree, $104 again, or maybe you can use retracement to give you some ideas. Going back to 50% is not impossible. 104.7, even 61.8% sometimes can happen. 106, but as long as we stay below 111 here, we should be looking for more downside once the 3 waves rally is completed. Now, again, you can use retracement at this point to give you a rough idea where the rally should be aiming for. But if you want to have a more precise area, then you have to wait for the A and B to fully develop before you can measure the C leg on the upside. Okay. Now zooming out, so let's see what we have here in oil. Let me copy and paste the X here and place it on the daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. We got a spike up during that war, Russia and Ukraine. Since then, we've been consolidating, right? Pulling back and consolidating at the high levels. So this is the X that we have, and you can see right here, if you look at it from the peak here after the war, you got this low bounce and a new low below this previous low, right? A new low below this previous low. This one you can count it as a 3 swing. 1, 2, 3, right? So if this is the X, the question is where's the W, right? So the W would be here. All right. And so we have from here, we got this lower low here. So that means you can label this, let's say, because this is 3 swing here, 1, 2, 3. So let's say you label this as ABC like this, right? So you got ABC and then a WX, and this ABC could be ending another higher degree W like this, and then this is your X, and then you break below this previous low. So in other words, from the peak you got the first swing completed here, and the second swing is here, and then the third swing is in progress. It has broken the first swing. So this is your first swing, this is your second swing, and then the third swing is in progress, breaking below the first swing. The target on the downside is going to be the ideal. It could go as low as 79.7, which is basically when the Y is equal to the W. Or if you want to measure the internal equal leg, then you can measure the WX in the red degree. If you measure the internal here, then the 100% is going to be 87.8. So it's within the range, 87, 80, 70. What is it? The internal of the equal of the external is going to be 79. So I would say between $80 to 88 is potential target to the basically in the correction in oil, right? So it's within the correction is a WXY structure, but more downside is expected. The Fed is hell-bent on trying to prevent inflation now, so they are hiking the rates aggressively, right? And they've been saying over and over that their priority is to reduce the inflation. We should be expecting some sort of deflationary trade. Like everything is selling off and pulling back, risk assets, indices, cryptos, commodities, and so on. So we need to see how it goes. And the Fed at some point is going to be finished and it's going to backtrack. But in the meantime, we are looking for the downside here in oil as long as we stay below 111.3, and we expect any rally to fail. Okay, so that's the update for today. And as always, if you do want to check our work, we got 14 days trial, and I will provide the link in the description of the video. I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.